Hey, what's up you guys? It's Erica. I'm back. I literally just woke up. I look like a mess right now, but that's okay because today I'm gonna be beating my face and I'm gonna start on my eyes first. So that's why I look really insane right now. I really just want to start this video so I can get like less ugly in the process. I actually have some new video ideas. I don't know if this one will go up first, but I definitely have some new videos coming out for you guys. Just stay prepared for that. So I've already like primed and prepped my face for this whole look that I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna take a little tape that is probably not for your eyes, but like, who buys tape for their eyes? I don't know how you guys feel about this technique. I feel like it works pretty good. I'm just gonna be putting it right here to like create a little wing. I know some people aren't for this just because like it's bad for your face or something, but like there's a lot of things that are bad for you. Also, please ignore this. I literally can't wait to get foundation over this bitch. Like, fuck you. I'm using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. It's a really cute palette if you guys have not seen this yet. There's a lot of images on it. And then there's some shit on the back too. I thought it was a really fun palette. I got this for Christmas and I thought I should do a cute look with it. I was thinking about using some darker like blues and green colors for this look because I always do pink, and in my next video I'm planning to do something pink, so I want to switch it up and like not bore you guys to death. So I'm probably going to be playing around with these shades over here. It comes with a wide variety of shades. You got your reds and like your oranges and your purples. I love the purples in this palette. But yeah, I'm gonna be making a look with this, so stay tuned. To start this look, I'm gonna be dipping into this color Still Shot, which is this really pretty pink peachy color with a regular crease brush. And then I'm gonna be putting this into my crease. I put like a little bit of bronzer in my crease as like a small transition, but yeah, I'm just dragging this color all over my lid. When you're using eyeshadows or you're doing like a really bold look, it's good to like build up your colors and like not put everything on at once. It's good to just like do little amounts and like see how you're feeling and like slowly work up to your look. Next, I'm taking a more precise blending brush. This is my Morphe M441 and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Baja, which is a really pretty orange. And I'm also going to put this in my crease. I'm wondering how you guys are feeling about all these launches that are coming out right now. Like there's literally Morphe concealers and foundations, Fenty concealers, drugstore concealers. I just watched Manny's video like the other day. There's so many things coming out that's like really overwhelming. I'm just like, I can't keep spending my money like this. Like, who am I? Who do I think I am? I think I'm gonna do a cut crease, to be honest. I feel like that would like look kind of cute. I'm gonna do a little mixing. This is Baja and Hellride. And I'm gonna focus this on the outer part of my eye, still in the crease, just to add some dimension. Purple is good for adding dimension if you have a good purple. I know this look is looking pink right now, but just wait. I just realized I'm not wearing any earrings in this video, so I'm putting on some fat ass hoops. That's better. I'm gonna carve out my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I will be right back. I drug out that cut crease pretty far to my outer lid and I'm just gonna kind of blend it out with my finger. Next, I'm gonna be dipping into the shade Big Sky with my finger. It's this really pretty teal metallic shade. I'm going to apply this to the middle of my lid. Next, I'm taking the color Stranded right here, and I'm applying this to my inner corner area. Next, I'm taking the color Wonderlust, which is this green right above this other green. I will do some swatches after this so you guys can see the difference. And I'm just going to apply this color to my outer corner. I know the eyeshadow is looking a little messy right now, but it really never comes together until the end, so you just gotta stick with me, it'll look good. Now I'm gonna go back into my transition shades with my crease brush again, and I'm gonna kind of clean everything up around the edges. I'm gonna deepen out my eyes a little bit more using Riff and Good As Gone. With my Morphe M431, I'm going to mix these two, and I'm going to just diffuse around the edges of my shadows and also drag it out to my wing. Just by adding these brown shades around the green shades, I feel like it really diffused the look and it made it a little more wearable. We're just kind of smoking this out till we get it to the point I want it to be. Next, I'm just going to intensify all the green shades, so I'm going to hop back into Big Sky. I really like this dark green shade. Like, this whole look kind of reminds me of like being like some kind of mossy like mermaid bitch, and I think it's cute. Plus, like, I don't really do green looks that often, but I think it complements my eyes pretty well. Lastly, I'm gonna dip into the shade Radio and kind of deepen it out even more. It's kind of this darker like navy color, and I'm just gonna put this on my outer V area, just like right here where the shadow ends, just for extra depth. I'm kind of creating a small, tiny wing with this. Next, I'm dipping into these two brown shades again, just to diffuse the colors a little bit more. You want to just go right next to this teal shade, but like not touch it because you don't want to move the pigment around. For my brow bone, I want to dip into the shade Breakaway. Okay, I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys on my hand. So I'm dipping into Big Sky. I'll do this shade, Wanderlust. I really like this purple shade. And then I'll do the gold, which is called Ignite. Okay, these are what they look like. So these are the swatches that I did. I think they look really cute. I think they're really pigmented. This was just with one swipe. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off my tape. And that leaves you with a really nice straight line. If you're not good at winged liner, I suck at it, and this is what I do every time. It's definitely a mood. Satisfying enough, Snapchat? Oh, that honestly feels so good to take off the tape. It was like stretching out my skin. Next, I'm priming my face with my Becca primer. I'm going to be applying my foundation with my Morphe sponge. I still can't decide if I like this sponge better than my Real Technique sponge, but it's pretty good, and it was literally like $6. So I would still recommend. It gets the job done, you know, and it also has this flat end, which is really good for baking. Although there's like a bunch of concealers coming out, I'm really proud of Rihanna for releasing 50 Shades. That's like literally the talk of YouTube right now. I totally agree that there should be like a fuck ton of shades for every product, because I don't know, in my opinion, I don't know why someone wouldn't want to appeal to people of all skin types, because like that's just more people buying your product, more people enjoying your product. Like, if I was a brand, I would want to reach out to like everybody in the world, you know? Like, that's the point. Like, you want people to enjoy your thing. If you have like 20 concealer shades for like white people, like that's literally going to be your audience. Like, you have that small section as an audience when you could have the entire thing, you know? And like, obviously, not only is it about like selling product and stuff, like obviously everyone should literally be able to have their shade. Like, it just kind of breaks my heart at the thought of like somebody not being able to buy a product or not try something out because like the shade isn't there for them. I wonder if I'm gonna end up taking this makeup off like in an hour or something. I'm just gonna be chilling today, honestly. I might go to like the store, but I'm mostly gonna be packing my things because I'm going on a little road trip with my friends again. We're gonna do some fun things. I'm trying to maybe vlog like my little trip, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that or not. For foundation, I use my Hourglass Stick Foundation and my Born This Way. For concealer, I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer. I honestly really like this concealer. I've been trying to do certain steps in my makeup routine to like enhance it. I think a really important thing in like knowing how to apply makeup is knowing what works for you and what doesn't work for you, and especially like identifying your skin type. All of those things really contribute to like how your makeup turns out in the end. So like, since I have dry skin, I've been trying to only use translucent powder where I really need it, because I like that effect where like over time your makeup gets more dewy and like oily, because that doesn't really happen to me. I'm not very oily. So I've just been setting my makeup like only under my under eyes. For a tiny bit more coverage, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just gonna put this in my problem areas. I think after I finish filming this video, I'm going to get baked and edit the video, because that sounds kind of fucking nice, right? I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me. It's kind of my go-to lately. It's a really cheap powder. If you wanted to try out the Laura Mercier powder and you're not trying to drop all that coin, Maybelline got you. And a little bit on my nose, because your nose makeup can wear off pretty fast, I feel like. And a tiny bit on the forehead. I'm looking real pale right now. I need to contour. I'm taking a small contouring brush and just gonna chisel out my face with my butter bronzer. Next, I'm taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette. It looks like this. The packaging is really cute, and then you just open it up and you have all these shades. I think this one is a setting powder as well as this one. This is a highlight, and then you got your bronzers and your blushes. So I'm just gonna be dipping into the bronzer in here, which is this one. And I'm just gonna start warming up my face with this. I'm actually going to finish my under eyes really quick. I'm going to be using my transition shades that I used, so this pink, this orange shade, and this purple shade. I'm just going to kind of blend them underneath my eye, and I will be right back. I'm taking a little bit of Still Shot, and I'm just kind of connecting my lower lash line to my wing a little bit and pressing this really close to my wing. I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Esta es mi cara. I don't know how to say so far. Next, I'm gonna dip into this pink blush in the middle, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of the purple one, but like mostly the pink one. You can add blush wherever you want. I usually put it on my forehead and a little bit on my nose. You guys, I was so upset for a second because I thought it stopped recording like my entire video, but really it just didn't record me putting on this highlight. This is my Benefit What's Up highlight. I just put this on my face. That really freaked me out. I thought I was gonna have like some lost ass footage, but now I'm going into my Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I usually put this highlight over this one just because this one provides like a little sticky base for this one, so it's even more reflective. So I'm using my Morphe R36. For lashes, I'm going to apply my Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. For my waterline, I think I'm going to try out the Smashbox Always Sharp 3D Crayon Eyeliner. I've never used this before. It's just this little teal thing. If I don't use it for this look, I don't know what I would use it for, so. Okay, I had to apply that eyeliner off camera because it was just like a bitch. I was about to poke my eye out or something. I think it turned out okay. I don't know if you guys can tell that I'm wearing blue eyeliner in my waterline. Let me know if you think it looks good or if you think it just looks black. I don't know, man. For my lips, I just bought this Jeffree Star lip liner the other day, so I'm gonna use it for the first time. There's such a loud noise outside that is so annoying. I hope you guys cannot hear that right now. This is in the shade Mannequin, by the way. Okay, I totally overlined my lips. It was really fun. I think this color is so cute. To finish the lips, I'm going into the same color Mannequin in the liquid lip, and then I'm gonna go in with some gloss on top, I think. I actually don't think I have my gloss on me right now, so I'm gonna use this rose salve thing, and I'm just gonna put this on the center of my lips. I feel like I'm yelling into my camera right now because there's a fucking loud sound outside. This is how the look turned out. Alright guys, that completes my look. I thought this was a really fun video. I really liked using this palette and like playing around with the green shades. That was actually my first time using them. So, fun times. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, as of right now, my last video that I posted has like the most views I've ever gotten. So like I can literally check like the majority of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So bitch, you gotta subscribe, you gotta join. Like, I don't wanna peer pressure you, okay? But like, deadass, you're gonna watch my videos again, so you might as well subscribe. So if you like this video, give it a like, give me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.